Umuada are the daughters of the soil in Igbo land, existing for hundreds of years.
We must stand together as one. When Umuada speaks with one voice, the community listens and progress is made.
They are the most powerful organized group of Igbo women born as an indigene into a specific family or village. Umuada are not just women. They hold every fundamental right to justice, authority, and respect for women, according to the foundation of Igbo tradition and culture. There is no town in Igbo land that doesn't have nor value its Umuada. They are the morning stars, prayer warriors, vocalists, entertainers, cultural ambassadors, defenders, peacemakers, and powerful disciplinarians, acting as the community police for serving divine intervention in every matter arising in their families and communities.
We are the Umuada, and we will not stand by while you bring shame to this village. You must do better.
The cry of their hearts touches God. In Igbo land, no family decision is complete without Umuada. No hometown ignores the rights of Umuada. Any attempt violating the rights of Umuada must be apologized and fixed right in their presence. Otherwise, they will walk out in protest, forsake the celebrant, and leave all food, drinks, and presentations untouched as a sign. Umuada don't fight with mouth. They fight by walking out, and when they do, the foundation shakes.
We say enough is enough. We will not stand for this. We are leaving now.
Yes. Yes. This is how we, the daughters of the land, Umuadobi of Azibo community, greet each other. Our Abada uniform, we call it shortcake. Now tell me, how does Umuada greet in your community? And what do you call your Abada uniform? Drop your town below and let's share this culture. I'm reading every single comment. Yes!